So for video purposes, we're gonna pretend like this is the top of the wall. Now, when you're building your climbing wall at home, a lot of times you're limited on the space, and you'll take this climbing wall panel all the way up to the ceiling and terminate it at the ceiling. You don't have to worry about a top of the wall detail. Now, if you're not running it all the way up to the ceiling, then you need to think about how you're gonna finish out that edge. We are completely done with the paneling of the gym, which does not mean that we're done with the gym or even like really close. There's a ton of work that still needs to be done. One of those things is that we still need to do the top of the wall detail, and I thought it'd be a good idea to bring you guys along a little bit with that process. So normally what we would do for the top of the wall is we would get a brand new sheet of plywood and rip it down and into strips, and then screw those to the back of the wall, and then you have a nice 1.5 inch lip to grab onto. But we have all of this waste right here, and I don't like creating waste. I think that it's irresponsible. So what we are gonna do is we're gonna take all of that waste, we're gonna rip it down, we're gonna turn it into planks and use that. After it gets ripped down and squared off like this, then we come over here and we put a bullnose on it with this router. And then it goes up onto the wall. We take the strips that we cut down. It has a bullnose on one side. We put a bullnose on the other side, and we take that strip and attach it with screws right there at the top. And now, when someone goes up to grab that top lip, they now have a nice 1.5 inch lip to grab onto, and it looks really well finished that way. I'll go show you some pictures. So if you're building it with a wooden frame, you're gonna take your frame all the way to the top of that edge, and that will actually give you a good finish there. It's gonna wrap over. Go ahead and round this corner with a 3/8 inch router bit, and then fill this seam in here, and that will give it a really nice looked finish, a nice fill finish as well. Also, if you guys enjoyed this video, have any comments, please let me know down below in the description. Also, if you're new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. These videos will be coming out at random, and I don't want you to miss any.